Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad SUFFIAN bin Abu Bakar. My student ID is 2021894286. Today I will present about my individual assignment for CSC264 is KareOK, karaoke application that I developed for this assignment. So in this video I will present about the app flow. Next I will show the coding blocks with database. So now in my hands is my phone. So I will present about the karaoke application demo. So I click the karaoke here. So this is the screen one or introduction page. So I will click the next button that it will bring me to the login page. So here I will try to put any input. So what happened if I put the wrong input? So I wrong password. So I need to set up an account. So I will click the sign up button. So I will put the info, example, email. So I try. We'll set email. Next is the name. So I put password, the easy password. Can you remember? So here we are. I click the sign up button. So sign up button will bring me to the main page. So here are the main page. So for the main page contain two buttons, Malaysia, karaoke song and international karaoke song. So what happens if I click the Malaysia karaoke song? So here are the list of the Malaysia karaoke songs. So I just put 3 songs. So I will click here. So this is the song play of the karaoke that I picked today. So this is the karaoke song player that contain artist name, song name, next lyrics. So this is a button, song play button. So this is a play button. So let's try. Pause button. The stop button. So this is the song player, and the coding of these two button is same. This same method. So I will explain this coding blocks later for this Malaysia and international karaoke songs. So next the BPM calculator. So this calculator contain tempo times signature. So user can put any number they like. So example I put 130. So for the time signature I'm using list speaker. Oh, I forgot. For the song list I'm using list view. Okay. So we continue for the BPM calculator. So time signature I pick any number. Okay, so what happened if I code? So it shows the result. So beats per minute 48.75 seconds, beats per second, and length of 1 bit. I'm using the result seconds and millisecond. So length of 1 bar. So this is the calculation result. So what happened? I click the create button. So disappear. So for the BPM, I'm using TinyDB. Okay. So and I forgot again. So for the sign up and login, I'm using Firebase. Firebase real-time database. So this is the info section. So contain TNC or terms and conditions. So here are the terms and conditions and the about this app. And let's try if I log out from this app. So it will show the message log out successfully. So I'll try again, insert the username and password that I set up earlier. So what happened? Let's see. Okay, password. So let's try click the login. So it will show the message login successfully. So okay, I accidentally click the international button. So let's try it. So this is the this is the interface of survey of the international. So it's seen the coding between Malaysia and international song karaoke, and the survey is seen. So I will show like the coding. So next click again the log button. So let's try to all close. Let's try to click backtrace. So it will show the message. Do you want to edit this application? So I will click yes. I click in yes. So here the ending of the apps. So next I will show the designer. Also not designer, coding blocks. So here are the coding blocks of the screen one. So after I click the next button, so it will next button. So the code initialize as a login page. So after I click the next button, so it automatically open another screen name login page. Just like earlier of this video, I'm show the welcome page. Okay, the next button. The next button is login page. Login page button. So next, I'm show the coding blocks of login. Okay, here are the coding blocks for the login. After I click the login button, okay, I'm set the Firebase DB1 project bucket KareOK/account. So this button will call the Firebase to tag username. So from here, the get value, we see the got value function. So if the username equal to get tag from Firebase, so it call again the value, the get value. So we can see the part if you then put the password equal to get value from the tag username. So the notifier will show the message that they put the true username and the true password, and automatically this app will bring user to the main page. Meanwhile, if they put the wrong password, so the notifier will show that they put the wrong password. And also if they put the wrong username, so the notifier will notify them that they put the wrong username. So here are the in coding blocks. So, and also I forgot just earlier from the in page. So I put the sign up button. So sign up button will bring you to the sign up page. So let's see the sign up page. So here are the sign up page. So I'm using if statement. So if the user did not insert any input into the email, username or confirm password, so the notifier will message to the user, will show the notification to the user that they need to enter username and password. Meanwhile, if they put they insert the input of the email, username, password, and confirm password. Confirm password is password test+1. So we can see here. Okay, so I'm set Firebase again for the project bucket KareOK search account. So we can see here. So we call the Firebase to store the value from the username and by tag. So it will store the password test+ or the confirm password. So notifier will show the message that users registered successfully. So this app will bring user to the main page section. So here are the main page section or the coding block. So first I will show. So I forgot this is I'm using the extension of the AI tool for the sidebar. So we can see here the coding of the sidebar. So here are the coding of the sidebar. So let's give it a touch. So here are the code of the sidebar. Here are the code of the sidebar. So you can see here. You can see here RSAI sidebar. So it contains three sections: home, VPN calculator, and info. So we can see here VPN sidebar. So when you click, so it will show these three sections. So now we go to the karaoke song list. Karaoke song list. So for this presentation, I will only show the world karaoke song for the list, and also include the player. Okay. So for the karaoke song list, I'm using list tree. So from there, I'm already set the element, so I can see so from the designer. So now I'm just only show the after picking. So here are the button world or the international karaoke song. So here, if the user click the button world, so it will show the list. It will show the list, and after they choose any song they like, so it will bring user to the playlist or song player. So here are the song player column. So we can see here photo song, song name player, so the song and the cover album. So I'm uploaded into the media. So here are the lyrics. Okay. So here are the content notes for the song player. And also for the information, the codings for the Malay karaoke song and the international karaoke song is seen. So submitted. So it's easy to me to record, to make the coding blocks between these two sections, or these two karaoke song sections. So now I will show the VPN karaoke. VPN calculator. So here are the VPN calculator. So before picking, I already set it elements to it has 7 times signature. So after you click the time signature, so it will set into the text and the label for the DAO. So here you can see. So after you click the button convert, so it will show here the calculation. This is the calculation of the VBM, and this is the TinyDB that I just said earlier, that I'm using TinyDB for the process, for the calculation process. So here are the TinyDB. So BPM, take BPM ready to store. This is the calculation. Okay. So if the input is empty, the user did not insert any number. So the notifier will show that they need to enter the number of the item code. So this is the button here. So we can see the coding block. So I'm call TinyDB to clear all the data of from the button convert. So we can see here test box tempo become blade, and the test signature will automatically set pre-select the test signature. So the calculation result will not visible. So now, so here are the back button, and this is the coding blocks for the play, pause, and stop button. So now I will show the logout button. This is the logout button. Okay, this is the logout button. So logout button, after the user click the logout button, so the user notifier will show that user logout successfully. So automatically this will bring user to the login page. So from the login page, user can backtrace that. It means user can close the application. So now I will show the Firebase console of Firebase that I generate for the login and sign up. So here are the database that we store. So here are this is the username that I registered earlier, set up it as SUFFIAN 10 and ABC123. So this is database that I create from the sign up. Okay, for the market sign up. So this is the Firebase username and the password. So that's all for my presentation today. So that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.